According to Gecko, Pepe is up more than 3,000% within 3 weeks. This might sound crazy to some people, but to some people, the thing that crypto meme coins are taking over and crypto will make them lots of money. If say you just wake up someday and invest in one project, that will make them millionaire maybe in the future. Well, guys, does this really looks like an easy thing to do? Is it easy for you to just wake up and pick up the next meme coin or the next crypto or the next big thing? This is a game that those who have lots of money play, that I want to teach you guys today. I want you us to discuss how this game is in place so that you guys can either take advantage of it when it's time or you don't, and you keep doing the things that we do, like on a day-to-day basis, investing smartly and buying the project that you think within 10 to 5 to 10 years is going to make you massive reward. Well, Bitcoin is the alpha. Ethereum is, yeah, close to the alpha because they are the first cryptocurrency that was launched or that existed before any other altcoins. And if say you understand the value that Bitcoin brings on the table, the value that Ethereum brings on the table, then no matter what happens in the market, you are going to set your eyes on Bitcoin. Bitcoin will tell you what will happen in the market long term. The rest is noise. If so you understand what is going on in the market, like when you look at the Bitcoin chart, you look at how everything is tumbling, and you also maybe go to Coin Market Cap or Coin Gecko to look at entirely what is going on in crypto, you're gonna realize that everything is just stagnant. Everything looks boring. And those who are trading, I mean, you don't want to trade in a boring environment, or yeah, because there's not high volatility. People who trade want volatility, but we are not seeing this in crypto in the top project yet. We are seeing this instead with meme coin. You can see here that on CoinGecko, trending coins, Pepe AI is trending. It's up 51% alone. It's like anything that has the name Pepe is trending. And this brings me to the reason why I want to do this video or this live stream in the first place. These are all games that the whales play. People who have made money in cryptocurrency, they are holding a lot of Ethereum. Remember, Ethereum and Bitcoin were the first ever cryptocurrency created. And those who have made lots of money is they are in Ethereum most of the times, and Ethereum is like other projects are trying to squeeze out the liquidity from Ethereum. And these guys, when they invest in these small caps or meme coins, because most of you want to become a millionaire, right? Once they have teamed up behind the scene to launch the next big thing or the next thing that they want to pump, the only reason why it is called the next thing, or most people look at it as the next thing, is because you can actually make money from it if say you are lucky enough to get in early. If say you understand when to get in, when to get out, and if not, then maybe you won't become a crypto millionaire. Is that the case? Of course not. You don't have to follow meme coins before you become a crypto millionaire or before you build wealth in cryptocurrency. But now let me tell you guys what is going on behind the scene. These guys who have lots of liquidity, lots of money, they decide to pour it on a particular project, pump it, and anyone who follow the right, it's gonna cash out something, and in the end, they're gonna burn those who are gonna be buying from the top. Those who are gonna FOMO in thinking that they're gonna make lots of money as well, not knowing that they are late in the game. They are late already. And when you come late in a game, then you won't play well, you won't eat, yeah, you won't have that, that good vibe, right, from the game. And let's just go a little bit to see this AI, Pepe AI, which is trending right now. I mean, like, this is also a place where you can find the next thing. I'm gonna show you guys also other platforms in DeFi that you can maybe get involved in most of this project before is launched on maybe CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, you can see here this coin Pepe AI is trending. You can see it's trending, and if say I go to the all-time high, sorry to the max, you're gonna see that it's not long ago that this coin was created. It's not that long. And you can see people are more in there buying like crazy these meme coins because they think meme coins are the thing now. Which, oh, okay, they don't think that that's what it is. The market has made meme coin to be that thing now. So everyone now is talking about Pepe. Everyone now is telling you this is how we go about doing this. This is how we go about doing that. How to find the. I mean, there's a lot of videos out there how to find the next Pepe. But one thing I want you to understand is this: if say you really want to find the next big thing, then you have to be playing around this platform, DexScreener. DexScreener is a platform where you can look at or you can find every project out there which has been launched on any chain before it gets to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko or any centralized exchange out there. This is the place where you go to look for this project, and also you can look at it from Dex. I think this is DexTools, DexTools.io. You can get every details about new project, from these platforms. It's important you understand this. Like for example, if say we want to go right now to look at newly added pair like new pairs, you're just gonna have to click here on this new pairs. It's gonna give me the new added pairs recently. You can see for 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, 24 hours liquidity. You can see it's been paired according to the amount of liquidity they have, the volume, and so on and so forth. And you can see here that if you can choose like what chain you want to look for. And these are the different chains, like the different blockchains that have different projects that are being launching on or in the crypto space. You have Ethereum, you have BSC, you have Arbitrum, you have Polygon, you have Optimism, you have Sui, you have Solana, Avalanche, Kronos. From like the way this is classified, it's like Ethereum, BSC, Arbitrum, Optimus, and Polygon are the top 5. Let me put it that way. Sui to an extent, let's say, yeah. Okay, now what you have to do is make sure you, like, I don't know if say you love BSC more or Arbitrum more, but I think the most money is made in or like on Ethereum chain or on Ethereum project. So if say you really want to you want to sacrifice some money, pay gas fees, I don't know, like, because Ethereum it has so much gas fee for you to play the meme coin game on the Ethereum chain, then it's gonna be difficult for you if say you don't have enough money. But you can play with this on different chains like Arbitrum. You can play with it on Optimism, Polygon, BSC. But Ethereum is so expensive because Ethereum, remember, Ethereum and Bitcoin are the first alpha that existed before this other blockchain. And the reason why you see Ethereum or other blockchains coming on board is because of the scalability of Ethereum. Ethereum is not scalable. It's not, the gas fee, the network is so congested in a way that it is expensive to run project on the Ethereum blockchain. That's why you see other layers or other blockchains like Arbitrum, Polygon, which is being built on Ethereum. Is to help Ethereum or to help facilitate transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. That's why Ethereum is valuable long term. And also recently we have what we call Bitcoin ordinance. Let me Bitcoin ordinance. I found this yesterday. I'm not like really. I'm not thinking like I'm the guy who didn't know about this before. So the Bitcoin ordinance wallet, it's been going on now. I've seen a lot of videos about this for the past 2 months now, and I didn't really like keep my eyes on this, but this is the next big thing on the Bitcoin blockchain. So you're going to be seeing a lot of projects being launched on the BRC20. So make sure you are having this wallet. If say you follow me, this is the time you'll take advantage of everything I say on this platform. Before Pepe was launched, I knew about it. Or sorry, not before. 2 weeks to like 5 days after Pepe was launched, I knew about it. I didn't react because I was thinking maybe the market or like everything going on in the market right now. I mean, Pepe cannot really make that big move, but I myself, I would, if I would have put just $5, I would have made lots of money, so much profit. That's why you see, I end up saying that I have to create a meme coin group, a meme group where we can share knowledge about different top meme coins out there. And whenever you get something like a new meme coin, even if you allocate just 5% of your portfolio, 1% of your portfolio, let's say 5% is not that bad either. Let's say you have $100 or $1,000. You say you're gonna keep aside 10% to play around with meme coins, right? Maybe you see potential meme coins you buy. Buying, 2 weeks ago, if you bought Pepe just for $5, you'd have made more than 1,000. I mean, a lot of profit, maybe up to thousands of dollars. So these are the kind of knowledge that I want us to, together to, to do this together. I created a group. The link for the group is found below this video. Go below this video and join the meme group, the meme coin group. There we're gonna, get exposed. We're gonna be exposed to different meme coins out there. I'm doing a lot of research now on different meme coins. I'm following those guys who are pumping meme coins. I'm part of their community. So I want to get everything before it goes to the public. And if say you're not part of my group, then maybe you're gonna lose out. Of course, you're gonna lose out. But Bitcoin BRC20 is the next big thing. If say if you want to listen to me or to listen to someone this year, then you should focus on BRC20 project. This platform is gonna change everything in crypto this year alone, like onward, because Bitcoin is the alpha, and if say most of the liquidity is found in Bitcoin, then you know what that means. It means Bitcoiners are going to transfer immediately because they have Bitcoins. They love to have their money in Bitcoins. So it's wiser for them to be interacting more with the Bitcoin ordinance. Now, this is the game here. Let me tell you guys the game. Bitcoin, Ethereum are the focus. In any other project out there is to mint and buy, let's try to print money. They are like casinos. They print money to buy more Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't know if that's that is somehow reasonable to you, but this is how it is. These guys have lots of money sitting there in Bitcoin and Ethereum. They decide, okay, now let's invest in this, that. That's why you see, when you see new hype coming, you're gonna see these guys, pouring money into it, and within no time you see the project now, go down, like say 40%, 50%. They are cashing out to buy more Bitcoin or Ethereum. They are cashing out to put their money in a reliable and sustainable asset. That's why everything you do, you need to make sure you are buying Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now let's go to look at some stats here when it comes to Bitcoin. Okay, no, I'm not on Bybit, so let me go back to here. Okay, so we can see that from the daily time frame, Bitcoin is in a downward movement. I drew this. There's kind of, I think, really good support here that if say Bitcoin breaks, let's look at the next zone that Bitcoin might go if say Bitcoin breaks this zone. So let's see the next target. The next target should be, I think, around 23,000, or yeah, I think we can see Bitcoin go right down to 23,000 if say it breaks this support here. And if say Bitcoin breaks support, then it will be difficult to break it again because it will become resistance. Those of you who haven't yet watched my support and resistance video, make sure you go and watch it. I explain a lot of stuff about support and resistance. And if say Bitcoin managed to break this zone, then you want to be placing a sell order. But if say Bitcoin keeps playing around this zone, playing around here, then I don't know. Let me see if I can do something here, so we can build a long term. Let's see, so we can know exactly how Bitcoin can play with this how sideways, how long it can be playing with this, or this can last. So let's see how long this can last. Okay, this is the daily time frame. So we see a couple of days before we see kind of breakout from to either direction, and this is a perfect setup. If say you see Bitcoin breaks down, then that's where we're gonna see Bitcoin go like around $23,000 or $24,000. And if say Bitcoin is going to the upside, then let's see how much we can expect Bitcoin to go to. Let's see, that should be about 33,000, or let's just say 34,000, 33,000, that range. So if say you see Bitcoin breaks to the upside, then that's where you should be expecting to start cashing out profit from 33,000, start cashing out profit, and from 23,000 or 24,000 you start. I think this is right down to, okay, I think I push it a little bit. Let me bring this now. Yep. Yeah. So if you start seeing Bitcoin around 24,000, then you start buying more Bitcoin until 23,000. You stop. From there, you're gonna see a bounce back. Then you can take out some profit when it comes back to 27,000. Yeah, 27,000. You can cash out profit. But if say it doesn't come back to that level, then we might see Bitcoin go right down to, let's say, 19,000. It might go to test back a 19,000 price point. So you guys should learn to an extent how to read the charts. And again, if say you are struggling with this, you can reach out to me by connecting to my platform, to my networks, subscribe, join my group on Telegram. I'm gonna do my possible best to help you guys to understand how you can go about looking at support and resistance, looking at price actions, playing around with different indicators that will give you an urge in the market. You need to be buying any crypto at your advantage or at the right time. If say you're not buying at the right time, then you might end up losing a lot of money, or not taking advantage of different price movement. And if say we look at Ethereum is playing the same game with Bitcoin playing the same game with Bitcoin. You can see here Ethereum is sitting around this zone here, and if say Ethereum breaks, then we can expect Ethereum to go right down to, I think the next area here is 1,700. Yeah, that's the next area, the next level that we might see Ethereum go to at that level. And if say Ethereum keep going down, then we might see it go again to 1,600. And if say it keep going down, we can see it go right down to 1,500. So can Ethereum go down? I don't think so. Ethereum maybe can. We might see a flash crash, but I don't think cryptos are gonna come. I'm gonna be going down from now onward. Well, never say never. Anything can happen in the market, But I think with what is what, we are still in a good in a good move. And if say we look at crypto bubble, we're gonna see that within the past week, Pepe is up 70%. Well, this is happening because we have seen a massive sellout for Pepe. Pepe was up like really, really a big deal, And within the day, okay, nothing is really happening. Only BSV is up. That's I don't know, this BSV. What's this all about? Let's see. Maybe Bitcoin SV. Okay. Let me see. I think with coin, maybe this is also an opportunity that we can look at. I don't know about this Bitcoin SV. So Bitcoin SV news. Okay. This looks pretty good. So you guys can look at the trend here, what is going on in the market, so you can understand how to go about Bitcoin SV news, block size. Yeah, I think this has to do with the Bitcoin Ordinance wallet and Bitcoin computer BSV up 16%. So this is just I think this is more about the Bitcoin news and so on and so forth. Yeah. So I mean, guys, so many stuff going on in the crypto space, and you just need to choose which platform you want to get your knowledge from. Don't rush everywhere to get knowledge. Of course, it's good to rush everywhere to get knowledge, but don't confuse yourself with so many info out there. Make sure you understand the fundamentals, the basics, and find something that you think is really like it's related to you. Like what you relate with. Some people can be related to NFTs. Some can be related to Web3. Some metaverse, gaming. You need to look for something that interests you in this space. To me, I just want to make money from crypto coins. Like, I just want to buy cryptos, invest, build wealth in cryptocurrency. I want to also educate people, to understand that there are a lot of opportunities in this space. They can build a business around crypto. They can, like so much that I want to educate people about, and also help them to make money in this space as I help myself make money in this space, because you cannot make money alone. I cannot make money alone. We have to make it together. That's why I'm recommending you to subscribe to my platform, and make sure you also, join my group, my Telegram group, my WhatsApp group. And if you need a one-on-one with me, I can help you one-on-one, take you step by step on the basics, the crypto basics, so that before you buy anything, you understand what you are getting yourself into, and you're going to have a plan, to go about everything, not just you going or like without any clue of what you are getting involved in, what you are getting into. You need to understand what you are getting in. Don't just get in because you think crypto is gonna make you a millionaire, or because you saw someone bought Pepe for $20 and they make $1 million. No, don't do that. If you do that, you're gonna lose money. So make sure you are doing the right thing. And those of you who are holding Baby DogeCoin, Floki, Bitget, Bryce, and other awesome coins that we talk on this platform, you guys should understand that all these coins are there for you to make money and buy Bitcoin. Don't leave your money there. Imagine that you bought Pepe and you left your money in Pepe. Do you know what would have happened right now? You would have lost almost everything. That's why it's recommended that you take out profit. At times you need to even cash out everything before it's too late, because if you don't, those guys are gonna dump everything on you. They're gonna dump it on you. And I believe right now you understand the game that these guys are playing. They are investing in this small cap project. Once they make money, they use that profit to buy Bitcoin. That's what they do. They play this game like back and forth, and they keep making money off you who don't understand the game. When you buy, you fall in love. You think as if you are the dev, you are the creator of the project. You're like you feel as if you become so emotional, right? You like falling in love with a project. You need to avoid, they say, abstain from loving a project. Love your money and put your money in assets that have proven to be reliable long term. Whenever you see any asset which is being proven to be reliable, then you can put your money there, long term. But until then, you have to make sure you do what the market loves. Put your money in Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you want to keep your money in a project, then it's in Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if you want to sacrifice, you want to buy meme coins or buy other altcoins, you should allocate just a small percentage of your portfolio, so that when you get burned, it won't really affect you that much. You can easily recover, long term. So this is it for today. Hopefully this content was helpful to you. If it was helpful, then make sure you go right now and smash that subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. And don't forget also to join my Telegram group. The links are found below this video. And also, if you have any meme coins that you want to share with us, then join our meme coin group. We're going to be coming up with different coins out there that can make us massive rewards. So make sure you are part of it. All right, guys, I'm done. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I